how to add store details on Footer on Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify website right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go into our online store. So just click this one right there. And then in this part, just click the customize button, which is right here. So just click that. And then once you're now here in the left screen under the home page, you will see this footer. So if you go down below right here, currently there are any footer in our store. The next thing that we need to do under this footer is what we're going to do is to click the drop down button right there and then click the add block. And then once you click that, you will now be able to see this. Now what we're going to do next is to add brand information right there. And then what we're going to do next is to add another one. So we're going to do this and then click add section before. So what we're going to do is to add another one. So I'm going to click text right there. And then as you can see, this is now what it looks like. So in this part, what we're going to do, let's say for example, is we're going to put the store details in this part. And then in this part, we're going to put your contact info. So let's say for example, your email, your phone number, and maybe your messenger or something like that. And then in this part, what we're going to add right there. So it's up to you if you want to add another details right there. So in this part, just type your email. So let's say, for example, that our email is helpfulonline@gmail.com. And then for the phone number, so you can just put it right here. So I'm just going to put the random numbers right there. Then for the messenger, just type maybe your name or the name of your store. So I'm just going to put example right there. And then once you're now done with this, if you just click the save button on the upper right corner of the screen, and then if we look here, so click the three dots and then click the view button, this is what it's going to look like. So just scroll down right there. And as you can see, we now have put the store details on our Shopify. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add store details on Footer on Shopify.